morning, guys. I am about to go to work all day today, and then tomorrow we have something really fun coming up. It is like blacklight / glow-in-the-dark pickleball. Never played pickleball in the first place, much less in the dark, so that's going to be really exciting. I have some other things planned for this video as well, a couple of recipes because fall is coming up, even though it's not quite here yet. It is on the horizon, so I'll be doing that, and then also continuing with some fall reads and whatever other adventures we get into. So I will see you after work.
Ta-da! How about that? You guys like that?
Back from work. It was a really packed day, so much going on, but also really productive. This evening, I think I'm going to try to make a new recipe. It is a dessert recipe and of course chocolate. It's a brownie pie, but it uses as the pie crust a pie crust made from scratch. So I'm using the Joanna Gaines Magnolia Home pie crust, which I also did another one of her recipes in a previous video. It was the lemon bars. I can put that video up there in the corner, and those are always amazing. So looking forward to seeing how this pie crust turns out, and then of course put the filling in. But you can do any kind of filling. This one though, I'm going to do a brownie pie type thing. I will show the steps for all of that next. It's about 6 a.m. right now, and you cannot see anything, but the moon looks really cool. I'm going to try to find this. I'm going to go take a quick run / walk, and also fill the car up with gasoline, do some chores before it gets too far into the morning. All right, I'm going to go and knock this run out real quick, and then later it will be pickleball time. This is actually a really good morning for a story walk. Kind of feeling inspired, so might have to work on some when I get back. Pickleball was actually so much fun, especially with it being in the dark, because you got to really focus on where it was since it was literally glowing coming at you. So complete blast. But now we are about to go on a little beach retreat to Panama City, or Panama City Beach, which will be neat to see since we have never been to Panama City before. So I'm going to take a walk outside and then we'll get into that. The praying mantis. See it? It is Monday. We're back from the beach retreat, which was amazingly fun and a good time away from home and the normal routine. But this morning I have a consultation with a publishing company, so I'm kind of very nervous about that and don't know what to expect. So I'm about to get on that call and see what it's all about. So we will see how it goes. So the consultation call went well. It was very interesting to hear what the process looks like and all that. I definitely want to finish my draft first, but they definitely liked the idea, which was very encouraging and will spur me on to complete it. I don't necessarily see it getting published too soon since I would have to self-publish it, and I also want to do my own illustrations, but it was really cool getting to see what that process is going to look like. This publishing company specifically will set you up with a team once you sign up for it, so they walk you through the whole process. You're not alone in it, especially for me since I've never done anything like this before. That's definitely what I need, so I want to do it in the future. I just have a few things that I want to complete with the manuscript before that happens. But yeah, I think today that's what I'll work on. I'll write some more, then also go to a nature center and see some animals and other stuff since it is a pretty day today. And I also might do a little bit of cooking. There is a really good recipe for what's called roasted chickpeas. You put like just some olive oil and seasoning on them, put them in the oven, and they are amazing. So I'll probably do that and put the steps in the video. It's super simple, so it doesn't take long at all. Alright, so I'm going to be making those roasted chickpea things, but I'm also really inspired now to continue cooking and do some other stuff. So I've really been wanting some taco soup, so I might try to make that as well.